Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post some haul videos, vlogs, DIY, shopping, all that. So if you like all that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So yes, we have the fireplace from the Dollar Tree going in the background. And yeah, today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. Multiple different stores, a couple days during the week. So yeah, there's a lot of new stuff finally. So grab a snack, grab a drink, subscribe, and let's get into it. So the first thing I got are some new cat toys. And I'm doing these first because she's eyeing me down because she can literally smell the catnip. So these have catnip and they're fun foods. And this one says Cape Cat Kettle Chips. How funny is that, literally? So we have that one. And then we have the Pepperitos Spicy Micey little Doritos. I threw it and she ran after it, so we'll see. So we got those. And then I did get another one of these Sherpa little pouches. And by the way, the cat toys and this is $1.50, but it's worth it. So got that. Then for $1.75, I just caved. But the little mini games, I just had to. So this one's Connect 4. So we have that one. And then we have the Icebreakers. And then the one I'm most excited for, and that's why I splurged on the $1.75, is the Hungry Hippos. This, I remember playing this when I was younger, so to have it in a mini, I had to have it. So we did splurge on the $1.75 for those, but it was worth it, so it's fine. Then, next up, we got some new beauty. So this is Jonah. I've did this brand before, and I'm still going to do a whole video. I'm just racking up more stuff. She's back. So this is the lip gloss. Endless Longwear lip color, and this one's in Flirting. I never remember seeing this shade, so that's why I got this one. And then another Jonah lipstick, and this one is in Flying, and I don't remember seeing this like mauve dark shade, so we got that. Got these blenders again because I did love them, so let's got another set. Then found the Illuminating Brow Gel and lifts and holds hairs in place. So I'm excited to try this, and it comes with a little brush too, so that's even a bargain deal. So got that. Then I found the Global Beauty Care Charcoal Cleansing Nose Strips, and you get 18 in here. That is a phenomenal deal. So we definitely picked these up. So got that. Then I found, finally, after years, the Creamy Serum Blush, and this is in Sweet Pink. I love that shade. So we have Sweet Pink, and then we have Rose Dust. So finally, I found the two serum blushes. So that is that. So this was definitely a repurchase, but I got the Blueberry Bubble Mask because I did love this and I found it again, so snagged that. Then I did need some eyebrow brushes, so I just picked these up at Must Have Beauty eyeshadow brushes. Apply and blend, and they're just the little goldy ones. So then, oh yeah, I got another Rose Dust blush. Then my favorite little lipstick in the Shea Butter gold one. Found this collection again, so I snagged that. Trying to see. I'm grabbing from this bag. Then we got the LA Colors limited edition liquid eyeshadow in Passion. I wanted to try this just for fun to see how my eyes react because it's a new formula. Yeah, so I'm like, you know what? Let's try it. So I got that. Then we got some new Sophie hair ties. Look at these colors. I'm obsessed with these colors, so we had to pick those up. And then I did find these extra large hair coils. And I'm so excited for these, even though I got all my hair chopped off, still when I put my hair up. So we got these. Then, what's in this bag? We got the Luminous Highlight Fat Chubby Stick. Again, from the old collection, but still. And this is in Let the Party Begin. And it's a little highlighting stick. I'm excited to try this because I never tried it when it first came out. So we got that. And then we got 2 matte lipsticks from the new collection that I have right next to me that we're going to do in this video. But this is the matte lipstick in Warm Toffee. And then Plum Rose. Okay, for $1.25, I did find this tie-dye kit one step, and it is in Cherry Blossom. So, and this is $1.25. So we found that. So that was fun. And then I did get another one of my favorite setting sprays, the Lee Mercier 16-Hour Wear setting spray. Had to. Okay, then we got the new Ioni Allure collection. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys, and then we might unbox at the end, and then I want to do a full video like just on this collection. So first, let's start off with the liquid lipstick. So we have liquid lipstick, and this is in Bloody Mary. So it's a red shade. And then we have Chocolate Martini, which is in like a chocolate shade. So these are our 2 liquid lipsticks. Then, probably what I'm most excited for, the Plumping Gloss stick. So this is in Rose. And then we have one in Sorbet. So these are our 2 Plumping Glosses. Then we have the Swipe and Glow blush stick in Cherry. And it's like a red cherry. So we have that one. And then we have blush stick in Raspberry, and it's a warm pink. So our 2 blush sticks. And then I did get a couple of eyeshadow sticks just because it's a new collection, so I feel like it might not hurt my eyes. So the first one we got is in Cocoa. And it is, kind of shows us it's a brown shimmer. And then this one is Cream, and it is a beige shimmer. So we got those. Then we just got the eyeshadow primer, which I was so stoked to see, actually. And it's just a nude. I was super excited to actually find eyeshadow primer, so got that. Then we got the Face and Body Illuminator Shimmer Finish Lightweight in Rose Gleam. So, yeah, Rose Gleam, Rose Gold. So that's that. And then the Energizing Glow Mist and Ceramide's Vitamin E Dewy Finish Setting Spray. So that is that. So now let's just take everything out of the box and see the packaging. Okay, this is the glow stuff, which it's kind of hard to just show it. Here's what it is. I'm going to do a full video trying this whole collection out. So yeah, and then this is the mist. Again, hard to show. And then we have the one lipstick. This is in Plum Rose. And that's what she looks like. Super nice. I like that shade. So that's Plum Rose. And then this one is Warm Toffee, which I'm obsessed with. So we got that. And I'm going to do a whole video trying this whole collection out, so stay tuned for that. Then the eyeshadow primer, again, can't really show it. And then we have our 2 eyeshadow sticks. This one is in Cocoa. Get the lid off. But yeah, it's just a really shimmery gold. So we have that one. And then this is Cream. And again, just like a soft cream glitter. So then we just have our 2 liquid lipsticks, Bloody Mary and Chocolate Martini. And then our 2 Plumping Gloss lipsticks. I cannot wait to try these. And then our 2 blush sticks. There's that one. And then we have the red. So yeah, I cannot wait to do my full face of this collection because I think it's so pretty, like such pretty shades. So yeah, so that is that collection. Well, unboxed. Stay tuned for the try on. But that is the end of my bags. I didn't realize. But that is the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely found some goodies. Hopefully I found some more stuff on my list throughout this haul. Throughout my shopping. And yeah, so definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, I should be on the hunt for. And definitely subscribe and share the channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.